What's up, guys? In this video I want to show you a really cool funnel that I just found that I think is totally awesome that I'm definitely going to use very soon. It's a funnel building membership funnel, right? So basically we're going to go through the 3 pages right here, um, and you're going to see why this thing is so awesome. All right, let's see here. So open an editor. Okay, so this is the first page of the funnel, right? If you're out of the funnel market now, you'll hate yourself later. You don't have to be an A-lister to be a kick-ass funnel builder. Learn funnel building 101 with video training, 100% absolutely free video training. Learn how to build funnels on only minutes, build sales funnels, email squeeze funnels, and more. Now, obviously, this is a funnel for teaching people how to create funnels. Like, it's pretty good for like using it as like to get like ClickFunnels affiliates. But you can change this for whatever you want, obviously, right? Now, let's say ready, click to get started. This, I don't think this actually has any effect, right? Like you can click, I've actually gone through this before, and unfortunately when you click, you can't go back. So let's click expert. Yeah, it's the same. Oh no, this is actually different. Expert already? Perfect. You are starting a new opportunity that will help your business overnight. You will also improve the skills needed to provide service for high-paying clients. All right, name, email, blah, blah, blah. Click to sign up. Let's see if this does anything. Probably not. Yeah, so it doesn't do anything. Anyway, and then it'll take you here. This is the membership area. All right, so if we click on training area, this is a membership funnel inside of ClickFunnels. Now, I don't know why, but when I see this, like, I just get excited. I'm like, oh my God, this is so cool that you can actually do this. Now, when you click on open in editor or open editor, you can actually edit that specific page. Right, so then you just edit it, whatever you want. Now this is just lorem ipsum to like, you know, show that you can put something here, but you know, you can put a video here. Like in the landing page, it talks about video training, and for some reason, I guess people prefer video training. I personally, maybe I'm old school. I like reading stuff, but you know, I don't, whatever. Anyway, you could do whatever you want. Lesson 1, first lesson, build with ClickFunnels, what are funnels, types of funnels, any kind of course that you want here, you know. And if this is a free course, like what I think a lot of people do is they'll have like a free course that tries to sign people up for ClickFunnels. So I think that could be pretty cool. You've just got this like, it's like a really easy way to get people like in your system. You know, like I think video training, actually, now that I think about it, is probably something that I should experiment with. I know I make these YouTube videos, but like, I just never thought of like putting them together in a course like this, which is kind of stupid, actually, now that I think about it. Like if I'm making these videos, I might as well just put them in a course. It's retarded. Anyway, if you guys like this funnel, I will put a link in the description where you guys can actually get it. You can download it. You can make your own little membership place, have a course of your own, whether it's for ClickFunnels affiliates or it's for something else. But I think this is a really cool, like basic, simple membership funnel that you can get like a lot of value out of. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to sign up for a 14-day ClickFunnels free trial, got a link in the description. And if you want to grab this specific funnel, I'll leave a description down there as well. Peace.